नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, मी विश्वनाथ तंबाखे सर. आज आपल्यासमोर इयत्ता 10वीतील इंग्रजी विषयातील युनिट 1.4 बी स्मार्ट म्हणजेच यशस्वी बना या पाठाचे प्रश्नोत्तरे, इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप, मार्जिन क्वेश्चन्स आणि लँग्वेज स्टडीचा अभ्यास आपण इथे पाहणार आहोत. वॉर्मिंग अप 1. Acrostics. An acrostics is a form of writing where the first letter in each of the lines forms another word. ज्या लिखाणाच्या प्रकारात प्रत्येक ओळीच्या पहिल्या अक्षराच्या जोडणीतून एक नवीन अर्थपूर्ण शब्द तयार होतो अशा लिखाणास ॲक्रोस्टिक्स असे म्हणतात. उदाहरण फ्रेंड. आता या फ्रेंड या शब्दातून FRIEND या प्रत्येक अक्षरापासून तयार होणारे नवीन शब्द बनवणं अनिवार्य असतो. F फॉर फेथफुल, R फॉर रिस्पेक्टेबल, I फॉर इन्स्पायरिंग, E फॉर एनकरेजिंग, N फॉर नोबल आणि D फॉर डिपेंडेबल. नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल. अ क्वालिटी ऑर फिलिंग. एखादी भावना किंवा गुणवैशिष्ट्य. स्मार्ट. स्मार्टपासून प्रत्येक अक्षराचा आपण त्याचं ॲक्रोस्टिक्स बनवू. S फॉर सोशिएबल, M फॉर मोटिवेट, A फॉर ॲक्टिव्ह, R फॉर रिलायंट अँड T फॉर टॅलेंटेड. नेक्स्ट. प्रिपेअर ऑन युअर ओन सच ॲक्रोस्टिक्स फॉर 1. Your dearest family member. Example, Vinita. V for valuable, I for intelligent, N for noble, I for inspiring, T for talented and A for active. Example 2. Name of your best friend. Atul. A for alert, T for talented, U for universal and L for loving. Next example, any profession. For example, teacher, T for thoughtful, E for energetic, A for amazing, C for caring, H for helpful, E for encouraging and R for responsible. Next question. Say whether the underlined words in the following sentences are used as a noun or verb or adjective. A. I walk to school every day. In this sentence, word walk is a verb. B. I walk for a walk every day. In this sentence, walk is a noun. C. They gave me a gift yesterday. In this sentence, gift is a noun. D. You can gift her a storybook. In this sentence, the word gift is came as a verb. E. It was sold as a gift pack. In this sentence, the word gift is used as adjective. F. They bought a new house on 10th Street. In this sentence, new is used as adjective. G. The water tanks leak a lot. In this sentence, the word leak is used as verb. Next, H. The old age home houses 100 aging and homeless peoples. In this sentence, houses is used as verb. Next, margin questions. 1. Why do some people find setting goals a challenge? Answer. Some people find setting goals for challenge because they have fear of failure. 2. How does qualifying goals help us? Answer. Qualifying goals help to provide detailed and exact ways to track progress against goals. 3. What factor is unreal while setting goals? Answer. Expecting to become an expert in a short amount of time is an unreal factor. While setting goals, building expertise always takes time. Question 4. To what are efforts towards success compared and why? Answer. The efforts towards success are compared to the right footing, precisely mastering the skills and getting ahead. If anyone has problems to reach success, he may tackle the problem. He has to evaluate himself if he wants success. English workshop. Question number 1. Complete the following web with words associated with the text and the given title. Components of success: realistic, vision, positivity, hard work, patience, time bound, achievable, and measurable. These are some words associated with the text and the given title. Next, question 2. Pick out examples from the text that support each of the following facts. A. Goals should be achievable. Answer: as student, we can't become a president or a prime minister, but we can hope to reach those heights in future. B. A time limit should be set to achieve goals. Answer: to reduce weight, we know how to go about it, but without consistent time bound action, it never become a reality. C. A specific field or area has to be fixed to achieve goals. Answer: if it is building the house, what exactly is the capacity required and how long can it be stretched? Next, D. Good results depend upon the quality and quantity of work put in. Answer: life is like a trumpet. If we don't put anything in, we can't get anything out. E. A benchmark is needed to track progress. Answer: while playing football, a player's exact role and position has to be clearly defined. 3. Complete the following sentences. A. Smart goals are. Answer: smart goals are specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and the time bound. B. Two valuable assets of setting goals are. Answer: first, sense of originality and the stepping stone of illuminate path. 4. Read the quotes. If you don't put anything in, we can't get anything out. Guess the meaning. Discuss in pairs and find similar quotes that bring in the same meaning. Answer: A. You reap as you sow. B. Input is equal to output. C. No gain, no pain. D. Cleanliness is next to godliness. E. Practice makes man perfect. F. Do good and good will follow you. G. Give respect and take respect. These are similar quotes that bring in the same meaning. Next, question 5. Drafting a speech. Discuss in groups each block and make notes about it. Answer: how I can draft an impressive speech. 1. A speech should be moderate. 2. It should not be too lengthy or too short. 3. Make a draft before delivering a speech. 4. Appeal all the chief guests and audience when you start a speech. For example, honorable chief guests and audience. Next, add quotations, proverbs, or good thoughts whenever necessary. Next, be specific and clear about your speech. Next, emphasize the important things by providing suitable examples. Next, consider each and every listener. Next, avoid unnecessary use of gestures and postures. Next, use decent and polite language. Avoid harsh words. Conclude the speech by telling the summary in short. These are some important points which are very important for drafting a speech. यापुढील प्रश्न क्रमांक 7. डूज अँड डोंट्स फॉर डिलिव्हरिंग अ स्पीच. ॲड सम मोर पॉईंट्स. डूज मधले पॉईंट्स बघूयात. स्पीक स्लोली, emphasize keywords, use decent language, provide suitable examples, stress your points firmly, speak loudly and clearly, follow the time limit आणि शेवटचं use quotes and proverbs. आता डोंट्स मधले काही पॉइंट्स पाहूयात. डोंट मम्बल, don't look up or look down, don't forget important points, don't use excessive gestures, don't feel nervous, don't drift away from the topic, don't pause your ideas, don't use harsh words, and the last one, don't get distracted. Next, question 8. You are going to participate in an inter-school elocution competition. The subject given to you is how to achieve success in life. Draft a speech to present it in a competition. तुम्ही आंतरशालेय वक्तृत्व स्पर्धेत भाग घेणार आहात. तुम्हाला दिलेला विषय हाऊ टू अचीव सक्सेस इन लाईफ म्हणजेच जीवनात यश कसे मिळवावे या विषयावर तुम्हाला स्पीच तयार करायचे आहे. Answer: how to achieve success in life. Honorable Chairperson, respected Headmaster, teachers, and my dear friends, today I am here to express my views on how to achieve great success. Success does not come as a windfall, it comes by burning the midnight oil. Success comes by working hard day and night. Nothing can be gained without hard work. Be ready to face difficulties. Don't be bad workman and quarrel with the tools. Slow and steady wins the race. Work constantly and regularly. Fortune favors the brave. There is no shortcut to success. For a great success, we need a lot of confidence, patience, knowledge, perseverance, and hard work. We should not waste our time because time is money. Don't compare yourself with any other person in the world. Success does not fall from the sky suddenly. There is no magic wand to make successful. It is achieved step by step. Friends, remember life is not a bed of roses. It is full of challenges. Consider life a challenge and accept it. So work hard continuously. Thank you for listening me carefully. Jai Hind.